everyone. The case demonstration room in our college showcases excellent infrastructure. It features advanced medical equipment and cutting-edge technology, providing a realistic clinical environment for the students. Comfortable sitting, ample space, and modern audiovisual aids ensure an effective learning experience. Thank you.
Hello everyone, we are in college which has well-equipped laboratories for practical learning and researches, fully furnished and air-conditioned, and also a simulation center for hands training in medical procedure.
In the end, we just want to say that our college has a world-class infrastructure with the state-of-art facilities. Thank you.